Hey, what's going on? This is Michael Cruz at succeedwithmichael.com, and there's a pretty good chance that you want to know how to make money at home for real without doing any selling. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can do it without being techie, without beating yourself on the head, and most importantly, without doing any selling. So stay tuned, coming right up. Alright, here we are, and first of all, before I share with you how you can start making money from the comfort of your home, I just want to say welcome to this space. Again, I feel grateful to have you here, and let me go ahead and share with you my big secret on how you can start making money from the comfort of your home. Let me tell you, before I started this journey, before I started, the journey of learning how to make money online, let me tell you, it's been a roller coaster, and before I even got started, I didn't have any idea that I was going to be successful at it, because I thought that you had to be doing, selling, and I'm not by any means a salesperson, right? So I was like, man, I got to do selling, and that's what keeps a lot of people from succeeding, people that want to, do business. But, life in general, it is like a sales, right? You're selling all the time. Like if you go watch a movie and you share with people how amazing that movie was, how comfortable the seats were at that movie theater, you're selling. When you're going for that interview, right, in a job, you're selling yourself, you're selling your skills, you're bragging about yourself. All of that is selling. But a lot of people don't like the word of just doing selling, right? So the reason why I want to share this video is because you don't have to be a salesperson. You can be shy and still make money at home, right? Or you can start making money at home while you learn how to do, the selling process, right? There's a lot of resources out there that teaches you how you can start making money online, and how to become a good salesperson. But a lot of people struggle to get there, and they don't know exactly how to do it, so they might get burnt out, or they might not make any money, while they learn. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually start making money from the comfort of your home for real, without doing any selling, or while you learn how to do selling, right? If this is what you choose for. So let me tell you that the three things that you need to make money at home is the following. Number one, you need a product or service to offer. That's the first thing. You need something that people need, right? You need something that people want to buy, right? Something that is going to solve the problem. That's the first thing you need. Number two, you need a high converting system, right? And number three, you need to learn how to drive traffic into the system. Now, the key here to making money without selling is having a high converting system. And a high converting system, what it does the telling and selling on your behalf. And what I mean by a high converting system is that somebody's searching for ways to solve their problem. They're going to be directed into a system that's going to do the explaining what the product is and educate them, give them a training, and there also will give them an offer on your behalf. So this system already has sales psychology. It has people, selling on your behalf. So your only job is to drive traffic, which is simply eyeballs of people on the internet that are already searching for, for such products, right? So this is how cool it is to have a system in place that does the telling and selling on your behalf, and that it's high converting. All right, so that is right there. That's my big secret of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your home, like I do, like a lot of people do. And in case you wonder what is my number one recommendation to making money online, go ahead and click that link below this video and simply check out that training. It's going to teach you exactly how you can make or earn money from the comfort of your home using a laptop and a smartphone, and how you can do it without selling. Because again, when you have the right system, when you have a high converted system, you don't have to do selling. You just let the system do its work. All you do is the 10% of the work, which is driving traffic, which you can get trained on, right? So that's my big secret right there. Hope this video was helpful. And if you got value from it, leave me some comments below. Share with other people that can benefit from this. And if you want to know what system I use to make money on autopilot, while I'm on vacation, while I'm spending time with my wife, while I'm doing other things that we love doing. Go ahead and click that link below, as I said, and check it out. And it will educate you. And if you feel that it's a good fit, go ahead and get started. Again, this is Michael De La Cruz. I'm out, y'all. Have a great day.